Okay, so sanded. Gotta do the ceiling first, which dried pretty nicely. Gotta do a coat of primer on the ceiling, and then gonna paint it. I gotta get the paint chips again because I forget which color, but anyways, and then after that's painted, the beams will go up and then be painted, and then the walls will be primed and then painted. Hooray. Excitement. Looking good. There's the closet. Didn't have to use the purple in there. And the view. The swan was out there. I took too long of a video.